Hello, this is Phyllis Wheeler, the computer lady from motherboardbooks.com. I'm going to teach you today how to make a simple animation in MicroWorlds 2.0. We're looking at my Windows XP laptop. Let's click on the icon there and click on this picture, and here we have the MicroWorlds screen. I'm actually going to drag the turtle down here to this lower corner so we can see what we're doing. In the command center, let's type set shape. SETSH is the shorthand for set shape, and then we need a list of shapes. So we're going to put a bracket, and between these brackets we're going to put some shape names. Well, where are we going to find those? Let's look over here at the shape center under the dog's head. Now you can see that we've got a whole bunch of shapes to choose from, and that we can scroll down and see some more too. So I'm interested in this boy walking here. So I'm pausing my cursor over it, and it tells me his name is Walker 1. Notice there's no space between Walker and 1, and Walker 2, and Walker 3. So let's use that set of shapes. And we're going to go back over to the command center by clicking on the command center icon. And we're going to type in here Walker 1, Walker 2, Walker 3. And in bracket, and I'm going to push enter to execute that. Now the next part of an animation in MicroWorlds is that you need to set up a situation that calls forward. When the turtle gets a new command for forward, the software goes back to the list there, set shape list, and pulls out the next shape. So let's tell him to forward 2, and let's do that again. See, every time we do this, his shape changes to the next one. And we can actually execute it by just putting the cursor at the end of the line and continuing to push enter. Well, that's not an optimal situation, is it? So why don't we use repeat. Repeat 40 times the command to forward 2. And push enter. Well, that wasn't optimal either. He just took a leap. And why on earth is he going up anyway? Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. The first thing we're going to do is slow him down by adding a wait command. Wait 2. How about forward 2, wait 2? Let's see if he takes a little slower. No. Let's execute that. There, that's much better. Okay, so the second problem is, why on earth is he going up? Well, a turtle will go forward in the direction that his head is pointed. And this particular turtle is wearing some clothes, sort of. He's dressed as a boy, but we can't tell from that where his head is really pointed. We have to go back to the shape center and put the original turtle clothes on him to see that his head is indeed pointed up. Well, that's not what we want. Well, if you saw the drawing tutorial, you know that we need to say right 90 to get him to turn his head. Whoops, I can't even type very well. Right 90. There we go. And now we want to go back up and execute this set shape line again, and then the one about repeat 40, forward 2, wait 2. There he goes. So that's an animation. Well, the final step we want to do is we want to make a procedure where we can just easily tell this guy to walk with a simple command. We're going to teach him the command walk. So let's copy all the relevant code plus some extra from the command center. I'm going to just highlight it there. And then let's go up to Edit, copy. And we want to go to the procedures page. So the pages menu is up here also. Procedures. Now the procedures page has a blinking cursor. Let's just paste that code in here. Edit, paste. I'm going to put my cursor there, push enter, and then the up key, up arrow. So we need a name for it. We're going to call it to walk. And then at the end of our procedure we want end. That makes a procedure. And we got some extra code in here we don't want, so let's just delete that. Okay, so now this is our new procedure that we've made. To walk, sets the shapes, and moves forward. And so now we want to go back to the graphics page. Here it is, page 1. Okay, let's delete some of this extra code down here. We don't want all that, do we? Okay, what we really want to do is see if he knows how to walk now. So we're going to type in walk and push enter. There it goes. So that's how you do a simple animation. First set the shape, then move forward. Thanks very much.